There's a short video of the number 3 of the Three Amigos. The tender is wired. It has all-wheel drive with all of the wiring and wheels, and they are beautiful. It has digital reverse. It has the AC to DC. It has a cooling fan. It has digital sounds, and it has 2 buck boost boards, and it has the inputs to the harness out here, which bolt onto a PC board that goes here. This holds the speaker, and it has a cable entry underneath it. And here is the interface board for it. It bolts on up underneath. This plugs in, and then this harness, that's not a harness, that's just my wire. The harness is going to run through these 2 big holes here and come out and come up under the cab, and it will look like this. It'll look like this one. Oops, hold on. The motors are too close together and I can't pull them apart. Okay, so this is another tender number 2. There's its connector. Here's the harness coming in, and you can see it comes along the bottom and it's going to go up that hole, and then the connector to all of the engine parts on the left side will be there, and for the right side will come up through here, and then up here will be the firebox with the motor on detector, and all of this stuff will get bolted down and stuff. So this is the original. It needs a new harness because I've come up with this method. I really want to, not so much the tender, but the engine. This needs rewiring. These things have all come a long way since mine, and then this was an improvement over mine. These are an improvement over that one, so we're going to have to bring everybody up to date. But this is the 3rd engine, and it's going well. I found methods for marking the wires so that I have 3 colors and then one's black, and then I know what they are at the other end. I've tested them and pinned them out, so I know how to bring them over. This will get bolted down, these will get plugged in, and then I'll be able to do a dry run test with this engine that goes to this tender. We'll make sure the fan works, the motor works, reverse, puff and chuff, all that stuff, smoke, and then I'll be finishing the engine in the wiring, but I really want to get this rewired right away, harnesses and engine, and then all 3 of them can cross the finish line pretty much at the same time. It's been a haul. It's been quite a while, I know. I've never built 3 engines like this. Never. I mean, I've built one at a time. That's what I do. And then if it's unique, it's okay. It goes off. Fine. But here, these all really need to be the same. And they all have to be really good. I like really good a lot, but being the 3 really good ones the same is really tough for me. It can be really good different, but not really. I'm trying to make this a good place to be for us as a hobby. I think we're gonna be there. I did a pin out. I tested the soundboard. Everything is working beautifully like it should. So it's really neat when you know how to do it and you do it, and it does what it's supposed to. First time, every time. That makes you feel good. Like, wow, we really got something going here. This is gonna be all right. So there it is. All right, gotta go. Working late. Just for your information, this harness took over an hour. And I buy these. I buy the harnesses like that. All this is just pinning them, stripping them, labeling them, putting them in place, soldering them, testing them, making sure there's no shorts and crossing wires and whatnot. And you have red to red and yellow to yellow and green to green, all that. And I'm wearing my super glasses. I mean, you can see, right? These are bifocals that only work for about 5 feet. the lower piece is like magnify, man. You know, I can really see. That's the way I have to do it. Sorry. Anyway, gotta go. Later. Take care. Stay warm. I fed the birds. Thousands of them are out there now, chomping away. Thank God the human came. And I'll talk to you hoping tomorrow. Bye.